Welcome back to the very unofficial travel guides. I'm your guest host, Dino Cicarolli. It's Dino. Don't call me Donald. Only my ma calls me Donald, and you're not my ma. But if you are my ma, hey ma, look, I'm on the internet. In today's episode of Travel Tips with Dino, I'm gonna show you how to pack your shit up real quick on the last day so you don't gotta spend all that time crying about how you can't fit all your shit in your suitcase. Alright? Alright. So, this is a trick I learned. Morgan's gonna show you how to do it. I taught it to him. He's gonna show you as I talk about it, alright? So, one thing you gotta do when you got all your dirty clothes at the end of your trip, right? You can't just throw them in a big ball in your suitcase. That ain't gonna work. You ain't gonna get that thing closed. So, what you gotta do is you gotta minimize the space they're taking up. And you also don't want to get all your dirty clothes mixed with all those extra clean clothes you brought with, because you know you brought too many clean clothes with. You know you packed too many things again, and you know at the end of this trip you're telling yourself again, why did I bring all these clothes? So this is what you do. First of all, take all those dirty clothes and you separate them into piles of pants, shirts, long sleeve shirts, and then you got your undies and your socks and your other things, right? Then start laying them out nice and flat, and start with your pants and your long sleeve shirts. Lay them out nice and flat and alternate in the directions, and you'll see why in a minute. Then you put your normal t-shirts on top, alternate in directions, and then you put all your underwears and your socks, and keep alternating directions to make it as flat and square as possible in the middle. And this is why. Here's the trick. Watch what Morgan's gonna do now. You take this closed lasagna that you just made and you fold it up nice and tight into a little square. You see that? You see what he's doing there? That's how you do it. And you can use the arms of the long sleeve shirts and the legs of the pants to make it into this nice little package, and bam, you just slam that into your suitcase and it's out of the way, and you're all set to put the other stuff in there that you bought, the t-shirts and the decorations and all that other crap you don't need when you get home, but at least you got space for it in your suitcase when you're leaving wherever you just were. Ooh. Thanks for coming back to another episode of Travel Tips with Dino. I'm Dino Cicarolli. I'll be back on the next episode to show you how you can dry something a little bit quicker than normal without using a dryer or a hair dryer or something, and it also helps you get the wrinkles out of it too. Does that sound good? That sounds good. So be sure to subscribe here. You know, write something. I don't know how you do this. Write something down in the comments. I'll answer it. Morgan answer it. I don't know. Somebody's gonna answer it. Follow Morgan on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. He always puts that down here. Oh, and I'm supposed to say special thanks all the people over here who sign up to that Patreon thing. Patreon / unofficial. I don't know what that is, but go check it out. I'm sure if Morgan's doing it, I'm sure it's good. Later.